Isinugod sa ospital si Richard Dode Cruz, isa sa mga inakusahan ni Sandro Mulak ng pang-aabuso, dahil sa matinding anxiety attack. Ayon sa abogado niyang si Attorney Maggie Garduque, dinala sa pagamutan si Cruz noong Martes 13 ng Agosto, isang araw makaraang humarap sa Senate hearing kasama si Jojo Nons. Kapwa independent contractors ng GMA7 sina Cruz at Nons. Yes, Dode was rushed to the hospital today. He has anxiety attacks after the hearing yesterday and was rushed to the hospital this morning, pahayag ni Garduque sa isang panayam. As I previously mentioned, my clients had been suffering physical and psychological stress since their names and images were posted on social media as alleged persons who abused Sandro Mulak, dagdag niya. Despite presumed innocent and no case filed, they were being crucified online as if already liable. I think the Senate hearing took so much toll to Dode and aggravates his condition. Currently, he is admitted to the hospital and tomorrow he will undergo endoscopy and colonoscopy, sabi pa ni Garduque.